Welcome back to AS Motors Zone. Today, I am bringing you something truly extraordinary, a motorhome that feels less like a vehicle and more like a royal palace on wheels. This is the Rolls-Royce Fortress luxury motorhome, a machine designed for those who want absolute power, unmatched elegance, and the freedom to travel without giving up comfort or prestige. At first glance, this motorhome looks like a moving fortress. The front design is inspired by classic American semi-truck styling, with a long and powerful nose that extends forward like a royal engine hood. This long bonnet gives the motorhome a commanding road presence and separates it from ordinary flat-front buses or camper vans. The iconic Rolls-Royce grille sits proudly at the front, finished in shining chrome with the Spirit of Ecstasy emblem standing tall like a symbol of authority. The entire front section looks bold, confident, and unstoppable. The body of the motorhome is very tall and extremely long, built like an armored palace. Smooth panels cover the exterior, shaped with elegant modern patterns that flow from front to back. These patterns give the vehicle a muscular appearance without making it look aggressive. The primary color is deep royal black, and it is paired with champagne gold accents along the sides and edges. This color combination gives a feeling of royalty and class, like something designed for kings and heads of state. The glossy finish reflects light beautifully, making the motorhome look even larger and more premium when it stands inside a luxury showroom. The windows and windshield are dark smoked, inspired by bulletproof glass styling. They give privacy to the people inside and add to the fortress-like appearance of the motorhome. The high ground clearance makes it clear that this motorhome is not limited to smooth highways. It can handle rough roads and long journeys without hesitation. Large, luxury, all-terrain tires sit under wide wheel arches, giving the motorhome a strong and balanced stance. These tires are designed for stability, comfort, and confidence, whether the motorhome is driving through open highways or uneven terrain. The lighting design is just as impressive as the body. Premium LED headlights sit on both sides of the grille, glowing softly and giving the front a futuristic look. The lights are sharp and clean, designed to illuminate long roads while also adding style to the exterior. From every angle, the motorhome looks like a symbol of dominance mixed with elegance. Now let's step inside and explore what makes this motorhome truly special. The driver cabin feels like a luxury command center. The dashboard is glossy and decorated with elegant patterns that match the exterior design. Everything inside feels carefully crafted. The steering wheel proudly carries the Rolls-Royce logo in the center, making it clear that this is not an ordinary motorhome. The instrument panel is modern and digital, showing speed, navigation, and system information in a clear and refined way. The seats are made with premium leather and designed for long journeys. They provide comfort and support, making driving feel relaxed instead of tiring. Soft, ambient lighting surrounds the cabin, creating a calm and luxurious atmosphere. Even the smallest details, like the buttons and trim, feel solid and well-designed. Sitting in the driver's seat feels like being in control of a powerful luxury machine built for long adventures. Moving deeper inside, the living area continues the same theme of royalty and comfort. The lounge and kitchen area follows a narrow motorhome layout. On one side, there is a comfortable luxury sofa where passengers can relax, read, or enjoy the view from the dark tinted windows. On the opposite side, there is a compact kitchen designed to use space wisely. The kitchen includes sleek cabinets with glossy finishes and elegant patterns, a small cooking area, and enough storage for essentials. Everything is placed in a practical way without making the space feel crowded. Lighting inside the lounge is warm and soft, giving a peaceful feeling. Even though the area is compact, it feels premium because of the materials used and the careful design. This space is perfect for relaxing after a long drive, sharing meals, or enjoying quiet moments during travel. The sleeping area is simple but refined. Instead of a large bedroom, there is a narrow bed designed for 2 people, matching the width of the motorhome body. The bed is surrounded by soft lighting and smooth panels, giving a calm and private feeling. Storage shelves and small compartments are built into the walls so that personal items can be kept neatly organized. This sleeping space proves that luxury does not need to be large, it only needs to be smart and comfortable. The toilet area continues the theme of compact luxury. It is designed as a small wet bath with a modern toilet, a compact sink, and a shower partition. The walls are finished with glossy panels and gold accents that match the rest of the interior. A mirror with soft lighting makes the space feel brighter and more open. Despite being small, the toilet feels clean, modern, and practical for long journeys. Every part of the interior reflects the idea of traveling in style. The materials, lighting, and layout are all designed to make life on the road comfortable and enjoyable. This motorhome is not just for moving from one place to another. It is meant to be a mobile home that offers the same level of comfort as a luxury apartment. What makes this Rolls-Royce Fortress motorhome special is how it blends power and elegance. From the outside, it looks like an armored vehicle built for strength and presence. From the inside, it feels like a peaceful and refined living space. It is designed for people who want to explore the world without giving up luxury and privacy. On the road, this motorhome would turn heads everywhere it goes. Its long semi-truck mows, tall body, and fortress design make it impossible to ignore. Whether parked in a city, standing on a highway, or resting in a scenic location, it always looks powerful and elegant. This motorhome represents a new level of luxury travel. It is built for those who want independence without sacrificing comfort. It shows that a vehicle can be both strong and graceful, both practical and prestigious. The Rolls-Royce Fortress motorhome is not just about transportation. It is about lifestyle, confidence, and the desire to experience the world in the most luxurious way possible. With its royal black and champagne gold exterior, long semi-truck nose, armored palace design, and carefully crafted interior, this motorhome feels like a dream machine for modern explorers. It brings together the spirit of Rolls-Royce with the freedom of a motorhome, creating something truly unique. This is not just a motorhome. This is a statement of power, elegance, and ultimate travel luxury. Thank you for watching AS Motor Zone. I hope you enjoyed this powerful and unique motorhome concept. I will see you in the next video with another incredible machine on wheels.